If your hair's always dry, frizzy, or just never holds shape, listen. It's not your genetics, it's not the cut, it's the way you're treating your hair before you even leave the shower. Most guys are making these 5 mistakes without knowing every day. And once I show you what to stop doing, your hair will instantly look better, fuller, healthier, and way easier to style. So let's fix yours right now. There are 5 things guys do that ruin their hair, literally every day. And you probably don't even realize you're doing them. I'm breaking down each one, showing you how to fix it and why it changes the way your hair looks, feels, and even styles. Every one of these is quick to change, and by the end of this video, your hair will already look better just from knowing what to stop doing. Let me guess, you shampoo your hair every single day because you think your hair needs to feel clean to look good, right? I used to do the exact same thing, but here's the truth. When you shampoo too often, especially with harsh products, you're stripping away the natural oils your scalp actually needs. And what happens next? Your scalp freaks out. It either dries up, flakes, or goes into oil overdrive to compensate. And suddenly, your hair's either frizzy, greasy, or impossible to style. I didn't even realize I was the problem until I cut back to just 2 to 3 washes a week. Within days, my hair was softer, looked fuller, and I didn't need as much product just to make it behave. Here's what you do. Wash less often, just 2 to 3 times a week max. In between, rinse with water or use a conditioner if needed. Use something sulfate-free and gentle. That one change fixed 80% of my hair problems, and it will for you too. Even if you're washing your hair the right amount, it still won't look good if you're using the wrong shampoo for your hair type. Most guys just grab whatever or says for man. But that label means nothing if it doesn't match what your scalp and hair actually need. If your hair is dry or frizzy, you need a hydrating, sulfate-free shampoo with ingredients like argan oil or glycerin. And the Base Bodywork shampoo has exactly those ingredients. It also contains avocado and coconut oil to fully clean your hair without overly stripping it of its natural oils. And if your scalp is oily or your hair feels heavy by the end of the day, you can also use the Base Bodywork shampoo. You just need to use a bit more, like wash it 2 to 3 times to fully clean your hair. And here's the real killer. Read the label. It's full of ingredients you can't pronounce and it leaves your hair squeaky clean. That's not a good thing. Use the right shampoo and your hair holds volume better, styles easier, and feels healthier without extra product. If your hair never holds the style you want, it's probably not your haircut or product. You're skipping the most important step, prep. Styling doesn't start after you blow dry. It starts the second you get out of the shower. Freshly washed hair needs direction. Without it, heat just sets chaos in place. That's why pre-styling products matter. They add control, volume, and protect your hair from damage. Here's what I use: a lightweight leave-in conditioner or a curl cream, depending on the style. You apply it while your hair is dripping wet, then air dry or diffuse it. Without this step, you're styling hair that has no foundation. And that's why it always falls flat or frizzes up an hour later. Trust me, once you prep before styling, your hair looks fuller, holds longer, and takes half the effort to finish. This one's huge, and almost nobody talks about it. You might actually have a great haircut, but if it doesn't fit your face shape, it'll never look right. The same cut that looks clean and sharp on your friend might make your face look rounder, longer, or just off. Because every face shape needs a different balance of volume, size, and structure. Oval faces, you've got balance. Most cuts work. Square faces, you want to soften those angles. Round faces, you need vertical volume and sharp lines. Not sure what your shape is? I did a full video using AI to scan your face and show you exactly which style works for you. But even without that, look at your jawline, cheekbones, and forehead. Know what you're working with before you let the clippers near your head. Getting this right isn't about being trendy. It's about framing your face in the most flattering way possible. unpredictable. That's what turns a basic cut into a glow up. You can have the best haircut and the right product, but if your technique sucks, your hair won't cooperate. The biggest mistake I see, rushing the styling process. No direction, no tension, no structure. Guys throw in some wax and wonder why it falls flat or frizzes up. Here's how it should go for your hair type. Straight hair, if you use texture powder or clay, you want your hair to be fully dry before putting the product in. Wavy hair, you prep your hair with pomade or sea salt spray while your hair is damp. And curly heads, you should already know that your hair should be dripping wet before applying any product. And here's a little secret. If you want to enhance your natural curl pattern for wavy and curly hair, scrunch in the product. After you rake it, scrunch it in. That's a secret technique. And if you want more of a voluminous look, blow dry your hair. If you want less volume and more definition, let your hair air dry. Styling isn't about being a pro. It's about being intentional. Once you do it right, just once, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Fix just one of these and your hair is going to look better, probably by tomorrow. Fix all 5, that's when people stop saying nice haircut and start saying, what are you doing different? That's how powerful these small changes are. Which mistakes are you making? Drop it in the comments and I'll personally reply with a quick fix for your routine. And if you're still not sure what haircut actually works for your face, that video is right there. Click it.